Hi, boys and girls. We are doing 3 practice book pages in our Reader's Notebook, Grade 1, Volume 2. This is the Lesson 20 section. Well, we skipped this one the other day. My fault, I'm sorry. So today we're doing page 65, and then we have to turn 3 pages. 1, 2, 3, until we get to this page. So we're doing page 65, turning 3 pages, page 71, and page 72. So let's get started. We're going to work on our spelling words, and our spelling words are all compound words. So this says play pen, playpen. See if you can read it with me. Rain, coat, raincoat. Maybe if I put this down, it might be better. So it's sun, set, sunset, when the sun goes down. Bath, tub, bathtub. This is one of our challenge words. Home, made, homemade, like my mother made some homemade cookies. In, side, inside. We have to play inside today. It's raining. Flag, pole, flagpole. We have to raise the flag up on the flagpole. Bed, time, bedtime. At 8 o'clock, it's your bedtime. Him, self, himself. He gave himself a hug. He must have been proud of himself. Sail, boat, sailboat. It's a type of boat with sails. Oh, here's another challenge word. Row, boat, rowboat. I wonder if you'll get that right. It has 2 different ways to spell the long O sound. Row, they spell it with the O-W, and in boat, they spell the long O sound with an O and an A. And then, back, pack, backpack. Okay, I think we're done. So now let's do our exercises. We're on page 65, and we're going to be doing our spelling compound words. What they want us to do is to type or to write the 2 words. So in bedtime, just like we were doing, we have to pick out the 2 words. So bed and time. Let's do that. I think you guys are already good at that. Bedtime, bed, time, bedtime. This is going to really help you learn how to spell the spelling words. If you could just spell them one at a time and then just squeeze them together, or actually just never even have a space between them and you'll be fine. Himself. I see the word him. I see the word self. Him and self. The 2 words in himself are him and self. Flagpole, flag, pole. Let's write those down. Flag, pole. It won't be a hard job if you just see it as 2 different words, which it is. Sailboat, sailboat I should say. Sail, boat, sail, boat. Backpack, 2 words are back and pack. Back, pack. Okay, here we have sunset. 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 There. Last one is raincoat. Raincoat. Let's do rain and coat. Okay, you can pause it right here while you finished separating your compound word into two syllables, which are actually the two words, bedtime, himself, flagpole, like that. And now let's turn 3 pages. 1, 2, and 3. So on this page, we're going to draw a line from a word on the left, that's the left side, right, to a word on the right to make each spelling word. Okay, so bath. Okay, which of our spelling words begins with B-A-T-H? Let me look down this list. Right there. Bathtub. Okay, you have to look for T-U-B. There it is. Bathtub. You get it? Okay, now this says flag. Let me see which of my spelling words. Oh, by the way, I did bathtub. So now I'm going to look for flag. Oh, there it is. Flag. Pole. So here's flag. There's pole right there. Flagpole. Next we have, well, let's look over here. Bed. Bedtime. It's the first one up here. Bedtime. So here's bed. Where's time? Oh, it's the first one up there. Bedtime. Okay, what's another one of our spelling words that starts with sun? And by the way, we did bedtime. We did flagpole. Okay, sun I see right there. Sunset. So here's sun. I have to find set. There it is. Sunset. Okay, here we have back. So we did sunset. So back. There it is. Backpack. So we have back. We have to find the word that says pack. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Pack. Oops. Now we have the word play. Which of our spelling words over here starts with play? There it is. P-L-A-Y. Playpen. Playpen. So play pen. Circle that. Okay, rain coat. Raincoat. So rain coat. Oh, I should look on this side. Sail. Sail boat. Sail. There's the boat. Sail boat. In. So which one starts? Oh, we did sailboat. Inside. So here's in and here's side. Inside. And then last one is himself. So him and self. Okay. So we got to practice spelling 2 times today. Got to get our spelling practice in because these are the hardest words of the year. Compound words, really? First grade? It's actually a 2nd grade standard. They're making you guys be introduced to it in 1st grade. Okay, prepositional phrases. We're talking about those, and today I have something to tell you. In addition to having prepositional phrases that tell us where, we also have prepositional phrases that tell us when. So we're going to read the sentence and we're going to look for prepositional phrases that tell us where or when something happened in that sentence. And then we're going to write where or when on this line. So let me get a different color. I think I'll use red-ish. Okay, the friends play after lunch. Okay, did anything tell us where or when the friends played? After lunch. They played after lunch. They told us when they played. After lunch. So we're going to circle it. That's our prepositional phrase. And it told us when they ate. So we have to write this word when right here. When did they eat? After lunch. When. And I hope you know how to spell when after this little practice page. I hope you know how to spell when for the rest of your life. They meet at Viv's home. So, is there anything in that sentence that tells where or when they met? It told us where they met, at Viv's home. So at Viv's home tells us where they met. Where. So it's this word. We have to write the word where. That prepositional phrase told us where they met. Where, and the E doesn't work on this. The ending E has no power to make this one say its name for this word. Okay. Viv swings under a tree. So we're looking for a prepositional phrase that tells us where Viv was swinging or when she was swinging. Viv swings under a tree. Under a tree. That tells us where she was swinging. So circle under a tree. And let's write the word where, because it told us where Viv was swinging. Lynn skips on the grass. Okay, we've got to find the part of the sentence that tells us where or when Lynn was skipping. On the grass. That was where she was skipping. On the grass. Lynn skips on the grass. That tells us where. So we're going to spell the word where again. That's 3 times in a row. Maybe you can learn how to spell where while you're here. For the rest of your life, know how to spell where. Mom comes home at 5 o'clock. So, when does Mom come home, or which part of the sentence tells us where or when she comes home? At 5 o'clock. That tells us when she comes home. So, that tells us when she comes home. So, we're going to spell when. At 5 o'clock. Prepositional phrases tell us when or where something happens. Last one. Lynn goes home before then. So, where or when does Lynn go home? Before then. I think they're referring to 5 o'clock. Lynn goes home before then. So, before then tells when Lynn goes home. So, we're going to write the word when again. And that's all for today's practice pages. I'm glad you got to practice your spelling and your prepositional phrases. Bye-bye.